Dun, 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 dun. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yay! Wish, wish. Galing naman. What is your wish? You wish to have a good health, happy birthday later sa iyong party.
So, today is May 9. So, nakikita natin. Kadadating lang na ito, mga pag-giveaway sa birthday ni Trent. Tomorrow, May 10. Today is May 9. Ngayon talaga yung birthday ni Trent. Nag-celebrate na kami as family lang. Lumabas lang kami, ganun. Punta kami sa Mind Museum. And then, ngayon, asikaso ko yung mga dadalihin bukas. Giveaways for the kids and for adults also. So, ayan siya. Parang inaano ko na siya kung paano ko siya ayusin dun sa Jollibee. Hinisip ko na. So, ito siya. Ito pa iba. So, tinatamad akong ihilera sila dito. Pero ito siya. Ano to? Yung pinipaint. Pinipaint siya. Kasama siyang pintura. And it's all about, of course, planets, astronaut, planets, space shuttle, spacecraft, yeah. Planets, yeah. Anything about that, because ngayong year na to, or ngayong panahon na to, yan ang favorite ni Trent. Kinauhong malingan ni Trent. And of course, ito, yan. This marshmallows. What do you call this? Cotton candy with marshmallow. Ayan. So, pinalagyan lang natin doon ng ganito. And then, may marshmallow siya sa hamahan. Ito naman, two colors. Two different, combination of colors. To blue, yellow, and green. It's like for boys. And then, this one is pink, blue, and purple for girls, but anyone naman can, parang pwede din sa boys, pwede din sa girls. So yun, ito siya actually, ito madami pa yan. Ayun siya, ayun pa sa likod. Hindi ko na salansan, iniisip ko nakatabad na siya, balik ko na siya sa plastic. And then ito naman, inayos ko na siya sa box. Dadalhin namin bukas. Yung giveaways naman for adults. Yan. Ang tawag dito ay, sorry na, nakalimutan ko. Pero ano siya, aromatherapy roller blend. Oil siya. Actually, 2 scent to. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko ma-identify dito sa mga to yung difference ng scent. Pero, ayun siya, madami siya. Actually, mas marami to kasi alam ko mas maraming adults ang pupunta. So, puno yung box na yan. Yan siya. 2 scent yan. Isang lavender at saka isa. Nakalimutan ko yung isa. Pero, eucalyptus. Lavender and eucalyptus. So, ayan siya. Yan. So, ayan. Yun na yan. So, ito tayo. So, iniisip ko, tomorrow ko na lang siyang gawin. Kasi gusto ko na rin matulog para maraming energy bukas. Gusto ko lang siya makita kung paano siya tignan pag naka-ayos na siya doon sa table ng Jollibee. Ang okay naman. Ang masaya naman siyang tignan. Matutuwa yung mga kids. So, siguro sa next video na to, papakita ko na sa inyo kung paano ko siya nagawa sa Jollibee. Sana mas early talaga akong makarating para maayos ko muna sila. Diba? So, yun muna. And ito, hulas tayo kasi medyo nag-walking ako kanina. Kahit 30 minutes lang. Anyway, sige. Later ulit or tomorrow.
The next day.
maging mapayapa. Pakauwi rin ng ligtas ang bawat isa sa kanilang pamilya. In Jesus' name we pray.
Okay. Ang tanong ko naman sa Daddy is ano po yung sa tingin mo na katangian po ni Trent na alam mong namana niya sa'yo?
Pagiging malikot.
Pagiging malikot. Parang hindi naman malikot si Daddy, no? Sige. Bukod po sa pagiging malikot, ano pa po?
Legos.
Ano daw?
Mga Legos.
Okay. Maglaro ng... Naglalaro ka pa ng dati? Dati. Okay, Daddy, kasi may bumubulong dito eh. Bukod daw po sa mga ganong namana po ni Trent, yung pagiging good-looking daw po ni Trent. Tama po ba yun? Parang walang nag-aabil. Okay, tama po ba yun? Yes. Ang hindi mag-yes? Okay, walang ice cream daw, sabi ni Ma'am. Okay, anyways, thank you so much, Mommy and Daddy. But this time, kung kay Mommy and Daddy mayroon akong tanong, of course, hindi mawawala yung tanong ko kay Trent. Hi, Trent! Happy birthday! Okay lang ba tanongin kita? I have a question to you. Is that okay? Okay, sige. My question is, what do you want to say to your Mommy and Daddy for giving you this Jollibee Kitty party? Here. What do you want to say to them?
Thank you, Mommy and Daddy.
Palakpakan nyo naman sa friend. Alright, thank you so much. But this time, kung meron po akong tanong sa kanilang tatlo, syempre hindi mawawala yung tatlong trivia question ko about sa ating birthday boy na si Trent. So guys, if you know the answer, all you need to do is to raise your hands. So parents and guardians, pag hindi po alam nung mga kids natin yung sagot, pwede niyo po silang turuan at pwede rin naman po na kayong sasagot at the same time. So get ready! Sino po na? Ayun, si Mateo. Hi Mateo, what's your answer?
Jollibee Landers.
Okay, my question is, what is the complete name of our birthday boy friend?
Trent, Clark, and Duya.
Tama po ba yun, Mami? Alright, congratulations, Mateo! Nick, ano po ang answer mo?
May 9.
May 9, including the year? At tayo yun. Other hand. 20? 2020, tama. Alright, congratulations. Come on, get your prize. Ayan, Nick. Here. Hi, ano po to? Calix. Okay, Calix. My question is, how old is Trent today? 4 years old. Get your prize. Alright. Thank you so much! Congratulations! But this time, everyone, okay lang po ba sabay-sabay kayong mag-shout? Pag sinabi ko pong happy birthday, you will shout the name of our birthday boy, which is? Trent. Okay. Okay po ba sa inyo yan? Pag sinabi kong happy birthday, shout lang po kayo ng pangalan ni Trent. Okay? Mommy and Daddy? Mommy? Ayan. Mommy! Ganito po ang gagawin natin para lahat po sila sumigaw. Mami, kailangan lahat sila sisigaw ng pangalan po ni Trent. Pag wala naman pong nakita si Mommy and Daddy, kayo po ang sasayaw dalawa. Okay po ba sa inyo yun? Okay, sige everyone. Happy birthday! Okay, Mommy and Daddy, may nakita po ba kayo? Isa pa daw. Sige. Everyone, happy birthday! Mommy and Daddy? May nakita po ba kayo, Mommy and Daddy? Sino po? Up. Sino yun? Sir, up. Okay lang, pupunta ka dito sa gitna. Up. You will dance. I will teach you how to dance, okay? You know how to dance chicken dance? 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Okay, one more. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, Mommy and Daddy. Kung may gusto po kayong kasama po ni up, sino po siya? Eris. Aries, naman, please turn your hand. No, ayaw ni Aries. Si Ken. Ken, you want to dance together with Kuya Up?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Can you please stand up, Ken? Okay. Mami, sino pa? May gusto ka ba bang idamay? Okay, Daddy, baka ikaw may gusto kang idamay. Okay. Okay, wala na. Okay. Ken, can you please go here? Stand here. Okay, Ken. You will dance chicken dance. I will teach you how to dance chicken dance, okay? First, 1, 2, 3. Okay, sige. One more. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, sige. Sige, sige. Palakpakan nyo naman po silang mahaban. Alright, thank you so much, Mommy and Daddy. And of course, Kuya Up, thank you so much. But this time, we're going to proceed for my first and warm-up game. Of course, for my first and warm-up game, kita ko makakahanap my prize. I'll give you 10 seconds. Go!
Today is your birthday, today is your birthday, today is your birthday, today is the day, today is your birthday, today is your birthday, dear someone today.
Sa left side, may nakakita? Wala po. Tingnan mo sa right side, may nakakita po ba? Wala din. Sa harapan, wala. Kasi wala naman talaga kaming nilagay dyan. May nilagay po kami pero nandito sa harapan. Sayang naman. But don't worry, just lang support nyo lang si Calix ha. Si Mateo po, sino? Mommy, Daddy. Mommy or Dad? Si Daddy na lang. Si Ava or Ava. Okay, Mami, dito po kayo. Si Ren or Renny. Renny. Oh my God. Ay, girl. Kala nila Renny. Mami. How about si Trent? Mami, ikaw na. Or Daddy. Support ko lang po si Trent. Si, Mikmik. Sino po yung parang ni Mikmik?
Si Lolo na lang, Lolo.
Lolo po ni Mikmik. Sino? Lolo Tito. Sino si Lolo Tito? Ayan, Lolo Tito. Halika na. Si Faith. Okay, meron po bang kasamang parents or guardians po siya? Anong pangalan mo? Faith. Sino po? Ano po? Sino? Kuya Aki. Sino si Kuya Aki? Ayun, sige. Make one big circle. Move backward lang tayo ni. Ayan. Okay, kids. Ayan si Tom. Hi, Tom. Okay, yan lang po kayo sa likod ng mga babies nyo, ha? For my first game, kids, listen. For my first game, this is what we call the Plus the Balloon game. Listen, if the music is stopped, whoever holding the balloon is out of the game. Okay, kids, you need to dance. Okay, ang magsasayaw, syempre, yung mga parents or guardians na nandiyan sa likod. Okay? Ngayon, Mommy and Daddy or Kuya man, pag hindi po kayo nagsayaw, tanggal po kayo kasama ng baby ko. Okay, ibig sabihin, pag hindi kayo sumayaw at tatanggal kayo, kayo yung may kasalanan. Okay, one more. Ready na. Okay, ready? Go! Alright, thank you so much, Renee. Good job! Alright, come on, Renee. Get your prize. Renee, yay! Good job, Renee! Congratulations! Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last 7. Come on. Ready? Go! Good job. Palakpakan niyo ako si Mateo. Okay, ready? Last 5. Okay, Mommy and Daddy, you will dance APT dance. Okay? Ready? Go! Okay, Pete. What? Sorry. Kali. Sorry, come on, Kali. Good job. Get your prize. Okay, last 4. Okay, ready? Last 4. Go! Kailangan po sumasayaw po yung mga nasa likod, ha? Ayaw din sumasayaw si Dati. Ano po? Oh, who's last touch? Who's last touch? Okay, sige, one more. Go! Your last touch, Ate T. Come on, get your prize, Ate T. Congratulations. Alright, last 3. Ava and friend Mikmik. Okay, si Mikmik. Okay, last 3. Ready? Go! Okay, sige. Mukha tayo yung isang sumasayaw si Manny sa kanila. Sige. You're out, Mikmik. Thank you so much, Mikmik. Get your prize. Last 2. Okay lang po dahil dito kayong dalawa. Okay, si Mami naman. Dito po, Mami. Ayan. Okay, ready? Ready? Go! Ava is last touch. Alright, congratulations, Ava. Ay, naman! Congratulations, sir! Okay, congratulations, Ava. And of course, congratulations. Yes. Alright. Smile, friends. Smile. Alright. Okay, sige. Isa pa. Halika lang ito. For my next, bring me. I want you to bring me. Oh, no. Madala kay Kuya na 20 peso coin. 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh, diba? I have a winner. Okay, sige. Sige. Ini-English ako ng bata. Huwag na bigyan na natin ng prize. No further question. Thank you so much, Mateo. Sabi niya, no. No, okay, no. Kaya mo kita. But, very one. Sabi nila, okay, no? Pero maraming bigyan na natin. Papahirapan pa tayo eh. Kaya lumapit yung bata, bigyan na kaya ng prize. Okay, wala nang tanong-tanong yan. Okay, anyways, for my next, bring me. Okay, sige. Sino to? Okay. Okay, Sir Gary, okay na po ba pupunta ka dito sa harap? Siyempre, get your prize. Okay, dahil kayo po yung nagbigay ng ID, meron po akong ipapagawa sa inyo. Okay, Sir Gary, okay lang ba? Pipili ka ng 2 daddy. Go. Oo. Or 2 boys na lang. Sige, 2 boys. Oo, sige, 2 boys. Kahit daw sa lalaki. Ako na lang. Okay. Sige. Hindi ko rin alam kung sino pipiliin ko eh. Kaya kahit ka lang na dyan eh. Okay, sige. Sir Gary, sige. Ano ba? Sino lang yung gusto mong mayaya dito 2? Si Daddy. Daddy. Pasensya ka na. Bunot ka ngayon eh. Okay, sige. Sino pa yung isa? Sino pa? Ako na lang, si Daddy na lang pipilinan. Daddy, sino yung gusto mong isama dito? Sino si Pao? Okay, Sir Pao, ikaw po ba yun, Sir Pao? Sir Pao, dito ka na daw po, Sir Pao. Sino ka? Tatlo. MC. Okay. Tatlo po kayong nandyan. So, kailangan, Sir, sorry, ask ko lang kung may partner ka dito. Okay lang ba isama mo yung partner mo dito? Ma'am? Kayo, Sir, sorry, may partner ba kayo dito, Sir? Wala? Ayan naman. Okay. Mami, kasama ka dito. Okay. Ma'am, sama ka. Okay, mayroon ka bang anak dito, sir? Or kahit sino? Sino po? Okay. Ayun! Okay. Sige. Kailangan ko yung anak, yung babae. Yung girl. Kasi puro babae dito. Ngayon po, kayong tatlong boys, magkakasama po kayo dito. Kayong tatlong girls, magkakasama kayo dito. Okay. Kayo po kasi yung magiging next players ko for my next game. Okay, ayan. Harapan po kayo. Okay lang harapan. Lapit lang po ng kaunti. O, picture daw po, picture. Okay. Players, kayo po yung magiging players ko for my next game. Picture. Ayan. Okay. My next game, this is what we call the Jollibee Get the Cup. Okay. Okay lang ba? Medyo forward kayo ng kaunti. Ayan. Okay. Ganyan. Okay. Then, lalagyan kayo ni Ate Mikay ng cup sa gitna. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Players, paano siya lalaroin? Players, if I say head, kailangan yung hawakan yung head niyo dalawang kamay. Head. If I say shoulders, kailangan hawak kayo sa shoulder. If I say knees, kailangan nakahawak kayo sa knees. Happy birthday! Ayun ka. Ganon. Okay, sige. Pabilisan ko ito, ha? Okay, ready? Ready. Head, shoulder, knees. Head, shoulder, knees. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Head, head. Head, head. Head, shoulder, knees. Head, shoulder, knees. Happy birthday! Wala pa. Wala pa po. Okay, one more. Head, shoulder. Oh, wala pa. Basta narinig niyo po yung cup. Doon niyo po kukunin yung cup. Ready? Head, shoulder, knees. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Hop, hop! Head, shoulder, knees. Happy birthday! Wala pa po. One more, ready? And 3, 2, 1, cup. Okay, sino po yung nakakuha ng cup? Ayan, congratulations, get your prize. Siyempre yung tatlo may limon sa gitna. Ayun mga may cup, ayan, Mami, si Sir, tsaka si Ma'am. Okay, kunin niyo po yung prize nyo. Ayan. Si Mami dito po. At saka si Ma'am. Okay. Ma'am, dahil kayo po yung hindi nanalo or hindi nakakuha ng cup, ang gagawin nyo lang po is maglo-longest greetings lang kayo kay friend. Happy birthday! Okay. Pero, nabanggit ko kanina is category punishment siya. So, pipili kayo sa tatlong sasabihin ko na category. Left, right, or round. Pag napili na po, bawal nang ulitin. Ma'am? Left. Round. Right. Okay. Ganito po ang gagawin. Dahil birthday po ni friend ngayon, maglo-longest greetings kayo 10 seconds. But with my left, right, tsaka round. Ganito po ang gagawin. Sino po yung right? Right. Ganito po. Happy birthday, Trent! Okay. Mami, kailangan 10 seconds. Ma'am, left. Ganito po ang gagawin. Happy birthday, Trent! Ganito ang gagawin. Out of course, second turn. Ganito po ang gagawin nyo. Hawak sa dalawang bato. Happy birthday, friend! Yan ang gagawin nyo. Kailangan nyo pong matarget ang 10 seconds. Pag hindi po na-target, ulit. Okay, unahin ko po muna sila.
Oh, you cheer your mommy again.
Okay, unahin ko sila. Pero kailangan natin ng timer.
Louder.
Ayan, tatimeran ko kayo. Okay, ma'am, paano nga ulit? Ayun! O, diba? Kailangan everyone matarget nyo yung 10 seconds. Okay, ready? Ready ka na ba? Okay, ready. 10 seconds. Go! Happy birthday, friend! Ay, ma'am, sorry, hindi ko napindot yung... Pasensya na, hindi ko napindot yung timer. Isa pa. Di. Go! Happy birthday, friend! Okay. 7 seconds. Daddy, okay na ba yun? Pag-isipan mo, Daddy, pwede na ba yun o isa pa? Pwede na yun, Daddy. Nag-iisip si Daddy ang mga Daddy. Isa pa? Oo, isa pa. Isa pa na. Oo. Isa pa. Okay, ready. Go. Happy birthday, friend. Okay, that is 5.83. Okay, ano masasabi mo? Isa pa or okay na yun? Okay na yun. Thank you so much. Ma'am, get your prize. Mami, ikaw ang susunod. Please. Sabi Mami, ako na. Okay, paano nga ulit yung right, Mami? Okay, right. Tapos may pitik yung bewang ng gano'n, ha? Okay, ready ka na ba, Mami? Okay, ready. Go! Happy birthday, Set, Daddy. 7.92. Ano po? Okay na yun. Takot ka, Daddy, ha? Okay, sige. Next, syempre, palakpakan naman natin si Sir. Okay, kailangan sir nakahawak ka sa dalawang batok. Sa batok, dalawang kamay, dalawang batok. Okay, then, magra-round ka lang ng ganito. Ayan. Habang syempre, longest breathing. Okay, ready ka na? Ready? Go!
Happy birthday, Trey!
Accept 3.6. Ready na ba yun, Dad? Alright, thank you so much, sir. Get your prize. Palakpakan niyo naman si sir. Okay, thank you so much, but this time, okay.
Daddy yung Mateo.
Daddy daw po ni Mateo. At ni Khalid.
Daddy ni?
Daddy ni Khalid.
Okay, nasaan na po sila? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 6, 7, 8, 8, walo lang, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Dalawa pa. Pwede naman, ma. Sino magiging leader? Okay. Ang pinipili ko po kasing leader is yung mga nagtuturo. Ma'am, ikaw ang leader. Sir, ikaw ang leader. Okay. Diba? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Sir, ikaw leader. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Line up po kayo. Then lalagyan ko kayo ng upuan sa harap. Okay. Players, for my next game or for my last game, this is what we call the Caterpillar game into the SOS. 2, 1, go! Yes! Oh! Yes! Oh! Yes! Oh! Yes! 3! Yes! Oh! Yes! Oh! Go! 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 Yes! Oh! Yes! Ano yung pinagawa sir? Sabi niya, winner. Okay, don't worry, it's just a practice. Sabi ni sir, talagang hard. Okay, hindi, practice lang talaga yun. Okay, pero ang magiging leader nyo sa harapan, yung nasa likuran. Baliktad naman yung tatlo. R&B na to ha. Ma'am, pangalawa ka na. Ikaw pangatlo, panghali. Ayun, hindi ka na. Okay, team na po ito ha. Okay, ganun lang po. Mag-shout po kayo ng happy birthday, Trent. Okay, sige. Palakasan po ng sigaw ito ha. Okay, ready? Ready ka na ba, sir? Okay. Thank you, sir. Okay, ready? And 3, 2, 1, and wala pang go, ma'am. Okay, one more. Competitive. Kayo naman, naman. Okay, ready? And 3, 2, 1, go! Yes! Oh! Yes! Go! Go, 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 go! Yes! Oh! Yes! 3! Yes! Oh! Yes! 4! Yes! Oh! Yes! Sino na una, mami and daddy? Patay. Okay, sige, ganito na lang. Kung sino po yung may pinakamalakas na palakpakan at may halong sigawan, ganonin ko sa boys team. Okay, everyone. Papalakpak po kayo ha, tapos sisigaw. Okay, everyone sa girls team. Wala. Matik, talo na. Sa boys team. One more. Sa girls team? Okay. Dito mo talaga makikita kung sila lang ang kamag-anak. Tatlo lang yung sumusuporta sa inyo. Okay. Sa boys team! Ang dami niyong kamag-anak dito. Okay. Sige, I think I have a winner. Boys team! Alright, lahat po get your prize. Lahat po kayo may prize. Ayan. Get your prize po, ma'am. Kunin niyo po yung prize na show your prize sa teacher. Together with friends, tsaka mami, daddy. Ayaw niyo na. Okay, sige. Thank you. Ay, kayo na lang po. Ayaw na din friends. Okay na. Okay, picture po. Thank you so much, Inigo Rogers. Maraming salamat po sa mga naglaro. But this time, ayan, enjoy your meal po. Dahil mamaya meron kayong special guest all the way from Jolly Town. Thank you so much and enjoy your meal.
Wala na niyang stroke. Ay kasi yan, kami mo yung tinanon, masasanay na ako.
Hindi, saka kunting sakit kasi. Ay, si Susan hindi daw. Tama lang. Iba na siya ni Mama doon. Tama lang din. Ay, sinabihan daw niya ay, tatakasan kita. Makumakulang. Ay, huwag naman ano. Ay, lalayasan talaga siya. No?
Kasi Lolo, mag-isa lang doon. Pataw pa si Lolo.
Salita niya sa
Jollibee! Hi, best friends. Meet our birthday boyfriend. Wow! I think may dalang regalo si Jollibee para sa'yo, friend. What's that, Jollibee? Wow! Alright, come on, friend. Take a picture together with Jollibee. And first together with Mommy and Daddy. Picture. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, naku mami, naku, abangan ko talaga yung pagbubok ko ha. By the way, online kami, online. Okay, picture. Ready? Look at the camera, baby. Look at the camera. Look here. Alright. Okay, thank you so much. But this time, come on kids, group picture. Look at the camera in 3 and 3. And 3. Okay, look at the camera. 1, 2, 3, smile. 2, 1. Waki! Wala. Okay po. Teacher ko. Friend, look here. Alright, one more. Okay. Ako yung mga tito and tita po Mukhang hindi ka nag-enjoy kay Jollibee talaga Jollibee Okay, ready? Look at the camera in 3, 2, 1. It's mine. Okay, kids. Next month, dito ulit kayo. Okay. I asked her name kasi she wants to celebrate her birthday here at Jollibee and she said yes. Hi, everyone. See you soon. Up, up. Look at the camera. Kuya, up. Look here. 1, 2, 3. Smile. Waki. Okay, thank you so much. One. Sino? Okay, ba't this side si ma'am? Okay. Alright, once again, inviting everyone to please all stand. Come on, let's sing a birthday song. 1! Wala pa po. Happy birthday to you. Everybody sing! Happy birthday to you. Louder, happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Everybody sing. Happy birthday to you. Louder. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Alright, everyone, this time yung bata na kasa. Mas mabilis in 3, 2. Alright, happy birthday, friends! Pero syempre, bago po i-blow nito yun ang kanyang candle. Of course, mommy and daddy. Sabi na naman ni daddy, ito na naman ako. Alright, mommy and daddy, make a birthday wish po muna para kay friend, of course. Mauuna po si daddy. Daddy. Ano po yung birthday wish mo para kay Trent? Thank you so much, Daddy. Okay, one more.
Happy and always be loving. Tapos strong mind, strong heart. And soul.
Alright, thank you so much, Daddy. Next, Mommy.
Frank, happy birthday. Ang prayers ko lagi sa'yo is lagi kang maging healthy, masaya at matalinong bata. Saka lagi kang magpipray kay Jesus.
Thank you po.
Okay, thank you so much. But this time, come on, Mommy and Daddy. Tulungan niyo na po si Trent, or kaya ni Trent. Sige, Trent, blow your candles. In 3, 2, 1. One more. Yay! Happy birthday, Trent! Nandito po ngayon tayo sa... Ayan. Okay na po, naka-play na oral. Camera, action.
Frank, happy birthday. Sana yung lumaking kasing guwapo ni Lolo.
Okay. Alam mo, Lolo, napakagandang message. Okay, Lola. Lola, ano naman yung birthday wish mo para kay Trent?
Ang wish ko kay Trent ay lumaking na masigla, masaya, mabait, marunong, mapagmahal, at higit sa lahat ay maging mapagkumbaba at mag-asabi. Yan lang.
Alright, thank you so much.
Ito na rin si Mama.
For the last time, syempre si best friend Jollibee meron din. Trent. Okay, Jollibee, how many wishes do you have para kay Trent? 1, 2, 3, 4 wishes. Okay, Jollibee. For your first wish, sana si Trent ay batang lumaking, pogi syempre, strong, at may abs katulad ni Daddy. At sino? Katulad ni yung cameraman? Katulad ni Lolo. Okay, strong. O, diba? But this time, Jollibee, for your second wish, sana si Trent ay batang lumaking, matalino, at down to earth. Siyempre, katulad ni Mami sa ni Daddy. Thank you so much, Jollibee, for your third wish. Sana si Trent ay batang lumaking, madasalin, at may takot sa Diyos. Thank you so much, Jollibee, but for your last wish, sana si Trent ay batang lumaking, always be happy and bigo katulad ni Jollibee! Thank you so much, President Jollibee! And of course, syempre, as long as you would like to spend more time together with Jollibee, ay kailangan niyo na pong bumalik ng Jolly Town upang magpasaya ng ibang bata. Say bye-bye, Jollibee! Bye, Jollibee! And of course, syempre po, kung kayo po ay may hinandang gift para po kay Trent, for in return, may hinanda rin po si Trent na souvenir para sa mga kids. Okay, lahat po ng kids natin, line up.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hey, happy birthday, Trent.
Happy birthday, Trent. Thank you.
Hi, Mom. Say happy birthday, Trent.
Thanks, Trent. Thank you.
Hi, Juan. Come here, Juan. Okay, so you're running muna. Renee, say happy birthday, Trent. Say thank you. Thank you. Wow. Come here, Juan. Say happy birthday, Trent. Okay, say thank you.
Thank you.
Alright. Ayan. Say happy birthday, friend.
Happy birthday, friend. Thank you.
Alright. Say happy birthday, friend.
Thank you.
Alright. Lahat po ba ng kids meron na lupa? Are you souvenir po? Lahat po ba meron na? Sino ba po yung wala? Okay, wala na. Okay, sige. But this time, bago po natin tapusin itong birthday celebration po ni Fred, Mommy and Daddy. Saan po si Mommy and Daddy? Naku, ito na. Last na talaga na Daddy. Okay. Thank you. Say na lang po for all the guests again.
Thank you sa lahat ng mga dumating, mga classmates, friends, parents, relatives, and mga kaibigan. Yeah. Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much. But this time to Brand, what do you want to say to them?
Thank you everyone for coming to my birthday.
Alright, thank you so much. And ako, syempre po, thank you so much, friend. But this time, kasi friend po, at saka si Daddy at Mommy, thank you. Of course, hindi nga po, Jolly Indianapolis, we would like to thank all of you guys for choosing us to be part of this wonderful celebration. Once again, my name is Rob Kubadi, Ati Ara, Ati Nikay, and Jolly. Hanggang sa muling pag-ibig na, my everyone, thank you so much for coming. And once again, happy